Good evening, everyone, and welcome to a impromptu sorts of Merlin build stream. Well, actually, it's not a build stream today. Today is a unboxing stream, like I promised on yesterday's Group Buy News video. Today, we are unboxing a keyboard that is coming up on December 1st. Let's see who's here today. A Gantz, Tataimo, and Deck, and Dark Action YT. Thanks guys for popping in on a day that I don't normally stream. But yeah, tonight's topic is the VERTEX Angle TKL. It is kind of a funny name, simply because if that name sounds familiar, you've probably taken some math classes. So yeah, looking for this board online, you actually need to type in VERTEX Angle TKL. If you just search for VERTEX Angle, you'll end up with this. The point about which an angle is measured is called the angle's vertex, and the angle associated with the given vertex is called the vertex angle. So you actually want to do angle, or the vertex angle TKL. But yeah, look at this board. This is another TKL from a relatively new vendor, clickclack.io. But yeah. They already have typing tests, and this board has actually already been sent out to a few streamers, so there may be a few build streams floating out there as well. Yeah, check it out. Just from the pictures alone, looks absolutely gorgeous. I would even say this looks nicer than my Owl Labs Mr. Suit. Yeah, it's definitely very beautiful. Like, that's the thing with them TKLs. They tend to look really nice. So yeah, let's see. Form factor, layout supported, WinKey, WinKeyless, Sangan, and standard layout. Looks good, and also ISO. Nice, nice, nice. Case design. VERTEX believes in simplistic design and values ease of use above everything else. Cool. Know the angles, play the angles. Nice. Yeah, so we'll be unboxing this tonight, and you guys get to see some of my initial reactions to this. Yeah, apparently this is supposed to be a very flexy board, so I won't be building this coming Saturday, but I'll try to build it before the start of the group buy, which is apparently on December 1st. This Saturday, I'll be down in Portland visiting family. It is Thanksgiving weekend here in the United States, so yeah. Family time, be eating lots of turkey, all that good stuff. I've been very happy with all of the board packaging that has gotten to me lately. It always looks so nice. And this one's definitely one of the nicer ones as well. Like, I don't like it when it just comes to me in like a cardboard box with wrapping, you know, like at the end of the day, it doesn't matter because I end up taking the board and I put it in like a fancy case. But when it comes in something like this is just beautiful. See, anything on the back? Anything on the sides? Yep, something on the sides here. What does that say? That says it is a WinKeyless. Dang it! I don't like WinKeyless boards. It comes with the A plate, and it is the E-White Bianco, as you guys can see right there. I am disappointed that it's WinKeyless. Like, you know, I guess I can deal without the WinKey, but it's still like my preferred layout. Yeah, look. Like, I love how their logo is actually the vertex angle. So does this open? Okay. Looks like they're following kind of the way of the Think, where they have like the tools in like little boxes and stuff. What tools do they include for this? I see okay. Allen keys, hexagon wrench, ooh, gaskets right there. Stabilizer shims, screws for the oh, I'm glad that they label it. See, this is screws for the daughterboard, screws for the case, feet, and screws, additional screws for daughterboard cap. Daughterboard cap, what does that mean? Let's see, what does this say? Angle TKL, Merlin. Oh, it comes with the actual certificate of authenticity. Cool. Produced by VERTEX. Interesting. And it has my name on it as well. And it's got a sticker. That's like this is like a premium experience right here, like a premium unboxing experience. Pretty cool, I like it. What's this? Wish you have a great typing journey with the angle. Very nice. Now, like, all of this doesn't really impact the quality of the board, but this does give you a very good unboxing experience. Let's see, what is the microcontroller on this guy? This guy's using a Atmega 32U4. Okay. Not bad. I do see an ESD protection chip on the PCB close to where the daughterboard enters. So usually they put the ESD protection chip on the daughterboard itself. I didn't actually catch in the Geek Hack thread whether or not they used an IO3 daughterboard, but if they did, I definitely used the IO3 daughterboard so I could have double ESD protection. So we'll see if that actually happens or not. Yeah, PCB looks good. As you guys can see, there's these two flux cuts that go horizontally. And here's the plate foam. Oh, this is not foam. This is like silicon. And this looks to be the... It's not foam. I guess it helps protect you from shorting your circuit board. And of course, PE foam. I feel like... Well, I guess it's... Is it PE foam? It's not really PE foam, but I feel like a lot of boards these days have come with this layer. This feels like an aluminum plate. This is an aluminum plate right there. Yeah, this is definitely the ANSI plate. Like, you can't really change too much here. Like this one is the ANSI plate because it doesn't have that ISO enter key. Even the plate has flex cuts. Interesting. It's flex cut all the way going right beneath the function row. Underneath your tab row, underneath your home row, and there's even one right by the space bar. That's interesting. Okay. But yes, as we saw earlier, this is supposed to be win keyless, which is not my preferred layout. But you know, you get whatever they send out. This is my first white TKL. But yeah, look at that. Holy cow. That is amazing. That is so amazing. That looks so good. Whoa. Ooh, wow. Okay. Yeah, this is amazing. Dang. Look at that. Holy cow. I really love that weight. This looks so good. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna say this looks better than the Mr. Suit. Yeah, this looks better than the Mr. Suit. And look, it even has my name on it. My name on it and a little wizard hat. Look at that. See that? It's custom. Completely custom. That's so awesome. There we go. Top came off pretty easily. Yeah, that looks so beautiful. Okay, moment of truth. We'll figure out what daughterboard that is. Yeah, that is not an IO3 daughterboard, but I am glad that they're saying the international version will be using an IO3 daughterboard. Because look at that, look at that. Look at that, that is not IO3 at all. That is their proprietary VERTEX daughterboard. Yeah, this is, so I'm assuming this is probably from a Chinese group buy that already happened. But yeah, if this can be switched to IO3 and they maintain the same daughterboard, you could essentially have double ESD protection. Is double ESD protection useful? I don't know. I think it's a bit overkill, but it's cool. If the static charge was so big that it blew out the first ESD chip on the daughterboard, it somehow made it to the PCB. Honestly, I think anything that big, even that second ESD chip wouldn't do anything. It would just be too big. Alright, so they did include gaskets as well. Do the gaskets go on the case? Or do they go on the plate? That is the question. Here, let's see if we can see any pictures from the Geek Hack thread. Goes on the plate. But I'm pretty sure you could just put it on the case. It goes on these corners here. And they go on these corners. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, that's not bad. So you know what? I might as well put the gaskets on right now. But look, there are different gasket sizes, so that's interesting. Different gasket sizes. Why? Are all the parts different? Oh yeah, the ones on the side look like they require longer gaskets. That makes sense. All right. Let's see. It's interesting how... Suppose I could put the gaskets on the top at a later time. If there was going to be a GPU drop at Best Buy, there'd be there'd be people lined up around the block. All right, there we go. Yeah, I didn't put all the gaskets in, but I guess I'll save that for another time. So far, just looking at this board and just playing around with it, I am very impressed. This is probably if you guys have been following me on Twitch here, I've only gotten like what I've got 6 TKLs this year. Out of all of them, I think this is the one that is the most beautiful. I'm just gonna say that right now. This is the most beautiful TKL that I've seen on my channel. But keep in mind, I've not opened my Key Cult yet. So we'll see. We'll see how I feel about this board once I open up my TKL, but hell, this is... Yeah, this impresses me more than my Mr. Suit so far. Once I build it, might be a different opinion altogether. Vicious says, better than Cloudline? I have not built a Cloudline or unboxed a Cloudline on this channel. So yeah. I will have to say though that, you know, I kind of do feel like it... Like the Daughterboard should have been an IO3 Daughterboard from the get-go. It's not like the C3 Daughterboard is, you know, completely foreign. Like it's got into version 3. It's been around for a while already. So I always wonder why they chose to do their own proprietary Daughterboard. This is the first board that has a cover for the Daughterboard. I'm not sure if there's a practical purpose to it other than making it look cool, but I do think it looks cool. I do like the fact that they customized Mech Merlin and my little hat on it. This was very cool of them. So, VERTEX angle, or VERTEX, or Click Clack. If you guys see this stream, thank you so much. This was a very nice surprise. I really loved how all these components were labeled. Like, I feel like a lot of boards these days do come with all the components in separate bags, but they're not labeled, right? So if you are a newcomer to this hobby, if this is your first TKL, this is even your first custom board, and you get all these parts, you're gonna be like, okay, which screws are what? How can I tell? I don't know, I've never built a board before. How do I know, right? But these are labeled. This one's for case, this one's for Daughterboard, and there's another bag here. This one is for Daughterboard cap. Very self-explanatory. So yeah, it's beautiful. Overall, everything about this board has been awe-inspiring. From the unboxing to the sort of a build, it's been great. I'm really looking forward to building this. The group buy for this starts on December 1st, and you're looking at 440 for the base unit and about 460 for the E-White unit, like this. The differences between this and the unit you guys will be purchasing is that the international version will have the Daughterboard, will have the IO3 Daughterboard, so that's good. All right, folks, have a good rest of your week. And if you celebrate Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving to you. That'll be this coming Thursday. I will not be having a stream this Saturday because that's when I'm returning back to Seattle. Don't think I'll have any energy to do any kind of build stream, but I will resume my Sunday evening group buy news stream. So until then, hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Happy Thanksgiving, and see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.